A WebView2 Runtime error in Outlook can occur if there's an issue with the WebView2 Runtime, which is used by Outlook and other applications to render web content within their user interface. This error might prevent certain features of Outlook from working correctly, such as email rendering, the calendar, or other web-based content. Here are some steps to resolve the WebView2 Runtime error in Outlook. Update WebView2 Runtime. WebView2 Runtime is updated independently of Outlook and other apps, so it's important to ensure you have the latest version. Download and install the latest version. Go to the WebView2 download page. Download and install the WebView2 Runtime. If WebView2 is already installed, try reinstalling it to fix potential issues. Clear Outlook cache. Corrupted data in the cache can sometimes cause WebView2 errors. Clearing the cache can resolve such issues. Steps to clear cache in Outlook. Close Outlook. Press Windows +R. Type %local app data /Microsoft /Outlook and hit Enter. Delete all files in this folder. Restart Outlook. Repair Office installation. If WebView2 errors persist, repairing the entire Office installation can help fix any corrupted files or settings that might be causing issues. How to repair Office. Open the Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office in the list, right-click on it, and choose Change. Select Quick Repair or Online Repair for a more thorough fix. Check for Windows updates. WebView2 and Outlook may rely on certain system files or features that are updated through Windows Update. How to check for updates. Open Settings. Go to Update and Security, click on Check for Updates, and install any available updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the WebView2 Runtime error in Outlook and get back to using the app without issues. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future troubleshooting guides.